This is predictive domination. Quantum AI, seeing the move before it happens.
Quantum models can simulate every possible market outcome in seconds.
The crash is decided before the trade is even placed.
The speed of quantum is the speed of total market control.
Information asymmetry on a galactic scale. A rigged reality. The quantum advantage is invisible until the wealth is transferred.
Simulating the future to own the present.
The old institutions cannot survive the quantum tide. Orders placed in the fabric of the universe.
Equilibrium lost.
The market balance is being tilted by superior math. Assets are being re-indexed for the quantum age.
Even the creators are losing control of the engine.
Quantum time is non-linear. The profit is already made.
The power to rewrite the past and own the future.
The new floor of the exchange is subatomic.
The wall is down. The treasure is exposed.
Direct access to the heart of wealth. The new masters of the market have arrived. Domination complete.
Seeing the market as it truly is, a set of solvable equations.
Inverting the economy for maximum gain.
The stress of quantum intelligence on traditional hardware.
Unlimited alpha for the quantum elite.
Next cycle, commencing. Preparing for the second wave of disruption. The Quantum City never sleeps and never loses.
The cold hand of quantum market control.
Global communication intercepted by orbital quantum nodes. There are no secrets in the quantum light. Privacy is a concept of the past. Every wallet is an open book. The tectonic shifts of the new economy. Turning calculation into capital. The perfect market has been engineered.
Optimization peak reached.
The heart of the new machine. The dawn of the quantum-dominated era. A new standard for a new world.
Traditional verification is dead.
The systems are beginning to fail.
Prepare for meltdown.
The dissolution of the old financial order.
The subatomic takeover is complete.
Accessing core. Reaching the center of the world's wealth. The digitization of value is absolute. Reaching for the ultimate alpha.
The machine moves faster than the pulse.
The rise of the quantum god.
intelligence sovereign. The cold vision of the future.
Phase 4. The cryptographic meltdown.